Hey there, folks! I'm back, and today we're in for a deep dive into the incredible world of Adobe Illustrator and why it's a must have for your content marketing strategy. This isn't just about a software, it's about unleashing your creativity and boosting your brand in ways you might not have imagined. So, what's Adobe Illustrator? Think of it as your friendly neighborhood graphic design tool. It is designed with you in mind, so you don't need a degree in design to make magic happen. It's as approachable as your favorite coffee shop. Now picture this. You've got a website that needs a fresh look, social media profiles that need spicing up, or marketing materials that should stand out in the digital crowd. Adobe Illustrator steps in like your trusty sidekick. It's more than user-friendly. It's like having a skilled designer by your side guiding you through the creative process. But that's not even the best part. Adobe Illustrator gives you the superpower to personalize your graphics, logos, and infographics. Your brand's identity comes to life in every design element, creating a consistent and professional look that your audience will recognize and trust. Now here's the magic. Adobe Illustrator isn't just about making things pretty. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience on a personal level. When your visuals align perfectly with your brand's message, it makes you memorable, engaging, and trustworthy. But that's not all. Adobe Illustrator is a versatile toolbox. It empowers you to create visuals that speak volumes. From crafting logos that tell your brand story to infographics that simplify complex ideas, you're not just creating content, you're crafting experiences. In essence, Adobe Illustrator is your secret sauce for elevating your content marketing game. It's like having a master designer as your collaborator, ready to make your content shine like a beacon in the digital landscape. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Adobe Illustrator in content marketing is not just a tool, it's your creative partner in crime. See you in my next video.